Everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Boxycharm time. My base box arrived today. Sorry, it is a no makeup day. I love those kind of days. It's a toss the hair in a pony day. Let's get into Boxycharm. Now, I get Boxycharm, the base box. So let's see what variation I got. Here it is. Oh, tells me on the box. Another low number. It looks like I get box number 3. So the actual number is 2212, so 2022 in 12 months, December, and then 003BA for base box. Well, let's see what we got. Look at, they're back to putting these in. I'm actually really excited about that. Got my cheat card. So their theme is "'Tis the season for being extra." That's what it looks like. And I have all little cheat information on here, the MSRPs on the items in the box. Now, I did go in and do a choice for the month. I generally am pretty good about catching that, but I don't always remember what I chose, so we're going to see if I figure this out. All right, let's get into the first thing. Oh, I like this brand. These are brushes, Luxe. So it's Luxe Beauty. This is a special edition 3-piece eye brush set, MSRP $38. Says apply, blend, and smudge your favorite cream and powder eyeshadow formulas and slay your favorite looks with these essential brushes. All right, I love this brand. I'm keeping these. We're going to open it, take a look. We're going to try to open it. I have to give it a little extra help to get into it. Come on. There's a little scoring on here. It's supposed to make it easy to open, but I don't know, you guys. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I like these brushes from this brand. I always have. So I will be adding these to my collection. Here they are. We've got a blender, a packing, and a shader. I like that. I love the color. It's like a deep wine color. Let's just pull this packer out here and take it out of the little bit of plastic wrapping. I love the texture on these. I've always been happy with them. Maybe not the best brushes in the world, but I really like them. So $38. I probably wouldn't spend $38 in the store on these, but I have some Luxe brushes and I do like them, and I'm keeping these. So we're off to a good start. Okay, let's see what kind of skincare they sent. Goldfaden MD, problem, uneven skin tone. So, well, that would be me. This is something for uneven skin tone. This is their Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with vitamins D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. It says Dr. Goldfaden's multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. Let's see if there is a safety seal. Very happy to see that. Let's find out how much this is. This is what it looks like. Holy toads, y'all. Say it out loud. Put it in the comments. How much? Size on this is 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. No cheating. Tell me what you think that they want for this, okay? It's not the most expensive skincare we've ever gotten by any stretch, but 2 ounces. 2 ounces. I'm going to read you the description and then I'll tell you the price. Dr. Goldfaden's multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin. It brightens overall skin tone, hydrates and nourishes skin complexion, and provides powerful antioxidant nourishment. $75. There's the leaping bunny on it. So let's take a look at the $75 ingredient list. Let's see if there's anything. Jojoba oil. Let's see. Jojoba seed oil. Cetyl alcohol. Candelia jojoba rice bran polyesters. Well, that's kind of nice. Glycerin. Sodium hyaluronic acid. Magnesium aluminum silicate. I think you find that in a lot of deodorants. Sodium stearyl lactylate, glycerol caprolate, xanthan gum, and cellulose gum. Those are binding agents. Phenoxyethanol, ethyl exyl glycerin, vitamin D, grapefruit peel oil, gooseberry fruit extract. That's the bottom 2 ingredients. So the 3 bottom ingredients, which are the ingredients with the smallest amount in them, are vitamin D, grapefruit peel oil, and gooseberry fruit extract. $75. All right, what do we got here? This is heavy. Complex Culture. Okay. What do we got here? Executive Level Mascara. It's very heavy for a mascara. I mean, it's heavy. It feels like it's in a glass bottle. Level up your eyes with this multitasking 5-in-1 mascara that defines, lifts, lengthens, volumizes, and nourishes lashes from roots to tip. Ultra conditioning formula enhances shine and defines lashes without smudging or flaking. Fit with a curved wand to hug each and every lash for full out next level volume. $28. Let's get in a mirror. Do I want to try this? I want to try this, but oh, I'm pretending that I want to try it, and then I'm going, I already have 4 mascaras in use. If I open this and I love it, it's just gonna, I have 4 mascaras I'm using right now. I can't, you guys, I can't, because if I love it, I'm never going to get it used up before it goes bad. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. It was a tease. Okay. Next one. All right. Real Her Set Your Goal Blurring Veil Setting Powder of some sort. Let's see what they say on this one. This is, okay. I'm just going to read it first. We'll give you the dollar amount after. Features ultra finely milled powders which melt into the skin to set your makeup in place or to control excess oils. It's completely flashback and talc free to give any look some serious staying power. $25. Let's take a look. Oh, come on. You know you want to open. Why you ought to be like that? Oh, come on. I swear I've cut this. It's got a little tape thing, and I swore I've cut it. There we go. Apparently not. My fault. My bad. Let's see if I'm interested in this or I say giveaway. All right. That's what it looks like. This is an 8 grams of blurring veil. Set your goal. Made in China, it does say. Let's see if it's got, should have a little safety sticker. It does. Looks like a nice color. I'm going to say right now, the chances of me using this are slim to none. I'm going to admit that to myself and to you guys, and it's going to go in a giveaway pile because I do not reach for setting powders. I reach for setting spray long before I reach for setting powder. Honestly, I know I'll never use it. I'm going to be good. I'm just going to say, quit while I'm ahead on that and not contaminate it. Now, this should be my choice item. This is ZeeSea Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. Colors you'll adore for the moments you cherish. This palette includes 6 warm, buttery shades ranging from rosy hues, to rich burgundy, right up my alley. With a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish, you can create endless looks for all the gathering and fun events ahead. Ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. MSRP on this is $28. I like ZeeSea Cosmetics. I actually have some of her palettes. Let's see, how do we open this? What's the best way? Right there. So here's the back. Let me show you guys the sneak peek of the shades. It's going to be pretty. It's going to be pretty. Oh, cute. And it's heavy. So packaging is really heavy. Back is not remarkable by any stretch, but really nice. I bet you there's a nice mirror in here. Yes, there is. Oh, there's a little mirror saver with a saying on it. It says, love the moment, you'll cherish the memories. Oh, that's cool. Oh, you guys, it's so pretty. Giant glitter in it. Several shimmers. Well, I should say a giant glitter, 2 shimmers, and the rest are matte. So I'm going to show it to you upside down. Y'all, that is gorgeous. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Now, do I keep it? I would say it would be great for travel because it's really, really great. It's heavy. It's really heavy, though. It's kind of shocking, like, how heavy it truly is. I don't know if that's the mirror. The mirror is a substantial mirror. I like the snap on it, the closure, you guys. It stays closed. I mean, that's a really, really nice quality palette. And that was my choice. My choice item, for sure. I remember that. As soon as I saw it, I remembered it. So, this is $28. The mascara, also $28. Our setting powder is, where is it? $25. This is, of course, the item that is supposed to put the box over that like really, really expensive high MSRP level, $75. I call BS on this. Y'all, would you buy this for $75? Either in the store or online. Full price, MSRP, $75. Nope. And then I'm super happy with these. There it is, Luxe Beauty. These are $38. So these are mine. I love them. All right. Not a bad box. Again, this was box 003, base box for December. So 2212 003 BA for base. And there is the theme of the month. I'm not unhappy. You know, I got a lot of makeup, which is what I want. I got a little bit of overpriced skincare, and that's cool. I'll either keep it or gift it or whatever. It's got the safety seal on it. It should last a while. So I am working my way. I am trying to empty out stuff. I'm trying not to use too many products at once, but I'm trying to just use up stuff. So I haven't done an empties video in a while because I didn't have any really for November. So I am trying. So I don't want to open anything, but all right. Sorry, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm pretty pleased with this. I hope this continues. I like Dominique Cosmetics. I think this is a really nice palette. I will definitely use it. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what box you got. I think I'm staying with the base box. I actually kind of thought towards the end of this year, maybe I should get the premium. I don't know, you guys. It's more money for one more item. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's worth it for me. That I need one more item for $10 or $15 more. So I don't know. I will put the link down below for Boxies. If you want to join, if you're new and you want to join, I have a referral link down below. It just gets me what are called basically points to use on their website and what they call them charms. Boxycharm, they call them charms. And they have what's called a charm room. You gather charm points or whatever, you can buy stuff with your charms. So it's not like I get anything in my pocket. No money, no pennies, nothing like that. But all right, y'all, I appreciate your time. I hope you're having a good one. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.